It's beautiful, blue, and cold outside. Coldest year of the season so far. In fact, it was so chilly, Muskegon actually set a new record low temperature this morning. You guys, you can hear the rush of the water behind me, so I want to put this in perspective for the people of Barry County to let them know how significant this is. So you had debris that was embedded inside the sides of these walls. So if you're north of Allegan County, you're in the clear. If you're south of Allegan County, you're in the clear. We have a whole team in tomorrow, Terry, Matt, and Tom, to keep you posted on that. That starts at 4:30 with traffic beginning at 5 a.m. I want to show you the difference between looking at things through normal sunglasses and looking at them through the certified eclipse glasses. So normal sunglasses, you should still be able to see everything. Landscape, people, shapes, all clearly just a few shades darker. Now let's compare that to the actual eclipse glasses. Once you put these on, you shouldn't be able to see a single thing besides the sun going through the phases of eclipse. If you fall in, first step is try to rescue yourself.
Yep.
Get over towards the ice.
Yep.
Help.
Yep.
Whistle. This is the part that gets a little scary. Sometimes when we hear winter storm warning, we immediately think big snow totals. And so far, because this is a long duration event, we really haven't seen all that much accumulation. But if you've been listening carefully, that's right on course. We really didn't expect too much accumulation through the day right now. But overnight tonight, we are going to start to see it ramp up, especially for areas close to the lakeshore. Hey guys, I'm just off the shore of Grand Haven, and I'm in about $1 million yacht here. And they said, Ellen, do you want to drive? And I said, okay.
My Oreos or either my Fruity Pebbles. We don't need to combine.
Although Thin Mints, you can go ahead and take over yogurt. We do agree that that is an okay
agree
thing
that's a good
do.
one.
And a lot of people are barbecuing for the 4th, right?
Yeah.
I love this picture. Look at this sunset.
I can't believe this is real.
If you focus in, I know, we kind of had to do a couple of checks because we're like, this can't be. Is this a burger sunset? And we have a few rounds of cold air. You can see the 3 cold fronts I've drawn on here. That's going to help to reinforce that cold for us. But by the time I'm getting up to mile marker 1, which is at Wealthy and Market, the elite women will be running almost twice my pace, which means by the time I'm getting here, they will already be all the way up here, closing in on mile 2 of the race. We've been watching this storm system for the last several days here, and currently it's spinning on the east side of the state. You can still see some of those rain bands associated with it. So overall, this isn't really going to be a huge washout storm, but because of the close proximity of this system to West Michigan, our shower chances aren't 0, especially once we get some of that afternoon sunshine to peek through the clouds. That should be just enough energy for us to re-energize some of these bands and give us the potential for seeing a scattered shower. So right now, pretty quiet across West Michigan. We do have just a bit of activity off to our south. One downpour near Toledo has just picked up some lightning, so there is the possibility that 1 or 2 of these downpours could actually have some thunder with them. So there's that storm near Toledo. These things are moving so slowly. So even if we track this one up into Michigan over towards the Jackson area, if it holds with this current orientation, it's not going to get there for another 3.5 hours or so. So 8:37 a.m. And then Hillsdale, watching this scattered shower here, could be pivoting in closer to around 6:12. Kalamazoo watching this one too. So it looks like some light rain on the south side, closer to about Schoolcraft, right around 7:03. So again, slow movers, not going to be severe by any means, but the chance of a shower is out there today. Here's a live look at Saugatuck. You can see that cloud bank, and the clouds are going to be with us, so it's going to be a fairly gray day. I think this afternoon we could see the clouds break a bit, so that'll help to launch us into the mid-70s, and that'll also help to fuel an afternoon shower or maybe a thunderstorm. So again, fairly dry, but we have that chance of a shower today. Now, Sunday is interesting because we start to see this system depart even more so. Highs up near 80, but as it departs, we still have a bit of instability. So Sunday, once again, a chance of a shower or storm, both early and then again late. So let's walk through your futurecast so you can see this play out. This is 10 a.m. Notice your futurecast is picking up on that chance of a scattered shower or 2. A good chunk of the afternoon should be dry, but this line of showers and storms potentially popping close to 4. This would actually be driven by a bit of a lake and land breeze. So the difference between lake and air temperatures potentially causing that scattered shower moving east as we go throughout the afternoon and evening. Overnight tonight, we see a reinitiation of some showers and storms as a little wave of energy pushes through. That's 6 a.m. through 8 a.m. Trend now is to be on the north side of I-96, and then working through Sunday afternoon, we could once again see an isolated shower storm. So I know that's a lot to take in, especially if you have some weekend plans. The best thing that I could recommend is downloading our free Storm Teammate weather app, because you can just kind of keep it handy, and if there's a cloud that looks a bit looming headed towards you, you can pop up your radar and see if you need to duck inside for a bit. These are slow movers, but they're not all that strong, so I guess that's the best consolation. At least we're not worried about hazardous weather aside from maybe a quick thunderstorm or two.
Okay.